Confusing words in English. All together and all together. The two words do not only differ in spelling but also in function. The first one, which is one word altogether, is an adverb, meaning it modifies verb, adjective, and another adverb. While the second one, which is consists of two words altogether, is an adjective, meaning it modifies noun and pronoun. The first one, the one word or the single word altogether, which is an adverb, can mean any of the following. Number one, completely, or entirely, or totally. Number two, it can mean in total, or in sum, including everything and everyone. And lastly, it may mean all in all, or overall, on the whole, with everything considered. So again, altogether can mean completely, in total, or all in all. On the other hand, the second one, the two words or the phrase all together, which is an adjective, simply means together or in a group. That is, everyone and everything is in the same place at the same time. Again, all together simply means together. Here are example sentences for the single word altogether, which is an adverb. For the first example, I'm altogether happy after our vacation. In this sentence, altogether means completely. So if we replace the word in the sentence, it will be like, I'm completely happy after our vacation. Next sentence, we spent $1,000 altogether for the vacation. So in this sentence, altogether means in total. So the total amount spent for the vacation was $1,000. And the last sentence, altogether it was a delightful experience. In this sentence, altogether means all in all or overall. Here is an example sentence for the phrase all together. We took the vacation all together. Or simply, we took the vacation together. Here is a reminder. There can be other words in between all together. Example, let us all read the lines together. So we have read the lines in between all and together. Now let's have some practice. Number one, after fully understanding the message of the film, I can say that it was altogether amazing. So in this sentence, the correct answer is altogether, the one word altogether. Here, it simply means all in all or overall. I can say that it was overall amazing. Number two, we watched the film all together last night. So here the correct answer is the two word all together. So we have here simply we watched the film together. So they were together last night, they watched the film together. Here are some sentences for you to practice more. Comment your answers and I will reply if you got it correctly or not. This is the lesson summary. If you have questions or clarifications, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.